If you're still seeing roaches after treating your home for those roaches, even if you sprayed, baited, whatever it may be, and you're probably thinking, man, I was not working, I tried everything, I sprayed, and I'm still seeing roaches, and the frustration comes over you, and I understand. Trying something over and over again and it's not working, I understand that feeling completely. But I want you to know that you're not feeling. You're actually doing a slow and steady process. Roaches are not an overnight thing like spiders would be or ants would be. It's not an overnight thing. And especially if you have a bad infestation or live in an apartment, it most definitely would not be an overnight thing. It takes time. It takes persistence. It takes effort. It takes patience to really get rid of roaches, right? Maybe you have a small infestation and you spray one time and they're gone, right? That's a rare and isolated situation, but you just can't read online and say, I do this one time and they're gone. People have different situations than you. So I would say the bait works because he said it worked on the review. It's going to work for you. It just takes more time for you, and it's okay. Just keep going. That's the thing about roaches. You have to keep going until they're gone. Use an effective plan, use the right sprays, and once you do that, it will be gone. Don't give up after spraying for a month or two, because roaches take past 2 months to get rid of if you have a bad infestation. Especially if you're using IGR. IGR takes 2 months alone to really start affecting the roaches the way you want to. So you really have to sit down and play the long game with roaches. And I promise you, it's going to work. It is most satisfying. As soon as you get rid of them, you never want them again. You don't want them now, but once you get rid of them yourself, you will be so happy. And I promise you, it's going to work. Just sit down, breathe. I know it's disgusting. I know you don't want roaches in your house. Just keep on the path you're going, and you will see success. Just don't stop. You can't fail unless you stop. You understand? You can't fail unless you stop. Now, if you do want a system that you want to follow and the chemicals that I suggest, I do have a course that you can get. Of course, it's not free, but it will give you a system of how to follow day by day, step by step, so you can follow that and easily get rid of roaches. And I did this before, did it for my sister, and it can do it for you. And I want this, guys, to help you get rid of roaches. So if you ever want that, if you ever need that, leave a comment below saying give me the guide, give me the course, and I will send that over right to you.